In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get started with the Audible app, so you can enjoy your favorite audiobooks on the go. Download and install Audible. Go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, and download the Audible app. Once downloaded, open the app and sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an account, you can create one. Browse for audiobooks. On the home screen, you can browse through Audible's extensive library by genre, popularity, or curated lists. Use the search bar if you're looking for a specific book or author. Purchase an audiobook. Audible operates on a credit system. You can buy audiobooks using credits from your subscription or purchase them directly. Select the audiobook you want, then tap Buy with 1 credit or Buy for price. Download your audiobook. After purchasing, tap Download to save the audiobook to your device. This allows you to listen offline. Start listening. Tap on the downloaded audiobook to start listening. Use the playback controls to play, pause, skip chapters, and adjust the narration speed. Use the sleep timer. If you like listening before bed, use the sleep timer feature to stop playback after a set time. Explore additional features. Add bookmarks to mark your place. Make notes or highlights within the audiobook. Sync your progress across devices using WhisperSync. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to use the Audible app for audiobooks. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and consider subscribing to CyberTheo for more tech tips and tutorials. Check my links below.